my God.
Wes, I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere.
I'm about to figure out. I'm excited.
Me too. You know,
You said something about food.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
I'm always hungry, but I'm hungry now too.
I haven't been out to eat somewhere nice in a while.
Where are we going?
Blackhorse.
Blackhorse. We're going to Blackhorse.
And the food is here. I couldn't even help myself.
Dude, that looks
I got
so
the compound
good.
butter, look at that.
And this is mine. We're living like kings right now. We're having a great time.
I'm not taking no time.
There you go.
How's it been?
Man, it's been a minute. I'm glad to be coming up here is always like going to like a fancy restaurant or like, you know, a fancy resort.
You know, we've been to a fancy restaurant now.
Yeah, I got a lot of food in me. I feel good.
I'm not sure you've even seen yet. But
You already know, Only Up Club. But yeah, let's check this out. It says, Wes, we are so glad that we're your first sponsor, and we're also excited to see what the future brings for all of us. As we both know, in addition to what our sponsorship does for you, we're gonna be giving you a prize for every 10,000 followers. That's wild. Y'all gotta rack it up. So, are you ready? I'm more than ready, man.
Sure you're ready?
Yep.
All right.
I'm ready, but it says, these gifts are gonna be crazy and crazier. I am personally working with Marcio on a huge gift for a milestone 100,000. It's only up. I can't wait. We're gonna get there though. We're gonna get there. Don't ever give up and don't feel like it's too much. I know you have a lot on your plate and a lot of stressful things to get done, but never feel like you can't accomplish something. You got this. I'm Justin the Car Guy, Family First Auto Sales. It says Only Up West. That's awesome, bro. I love it. I appreciate you, man.
Dude, I'm just ready for what's about to happen. I haven't seen this yet. I don't know what this is.
You know, something specific just for this. Let me show y'all.
Oh shit.
Show the camera.
Oh my God.
One of my followers gave that to me.
It's funny. It's funny. And let me explain to you why this is so funny. He did this
Oh Lord, what is
to make it harder for you.
Yeah,
Look
right.
at all the rapping.
Yeah,
You outsmarted him. It's like you knew he was gonna do this.
They hooked me up. They hooked me up with my own knife, man.
That's awesome.
I love it.
You know, he's gonna look and go, eBay brained me. He did it. Well, we can do this together really quick because I can't pick this up on my own.
I swear, when I walked in the door, I did not even notice this box. and to think there's gonna be a gift like this every 10,000 followers. This is all because of you guys. The people at Family First, Justin, everybody else, they're not just doing this out like, this is out of the kindness of heart. They want to help me. They see what y'all are doing in regards of everything that's going on, and this is just another milestone, another stepping stone. So I'm more than grateful. The wood stove was the perfect. It's literally been the back burner, quite literally, of this whole homesteading thing. It wasn't. I was in the bus and I was making it, but I was freezing.
Yeah.
So with the wood stove, I'm comfortable now. I can actually relax here and there, and I can get by. So that helped a lot, and yeah, I just can't wait to see what the future holds.
I want to see what this is.
Yeah, I want to see what this is. Let's see what it is.
Ready?
Let's get into it. Where are you going?
We're right here.
Okay.
ASMR video type stuff.
All right, where should I start?
Anywhere you want, man. The sky is the limit here.
Okay, I'm gonna start right here. I gotta find a good spot.
The whole ASMR experience here.
Oh
I
yeah.
feel like a weirdo doing this. No. I can see something.
I see something, but I'm trying to.
Oh.
We got another box.
Two boxes?
No way.
Oh my God.
No way. We got a Starlink. Oh my God. Bro.
Dude.
This is awesome. Oh my God. You know,
I didn't think this was.
Oh my God.
This wasn't even on the radar of things I thought this could have been.
I never would have expected. I'm sorry.
This is the last thing I would have thought this would have been.
I did not expect it.